Presence of these nutrients by the organism. Nutrients is organic or inorganic substance needed of various maintains progress of survival of organism. Nutrients are three types: energy giving foods, carbohydrates and fats. Second, body building foods, proteins and minerals. And third and last, protective foods, vitamins and minerals. Inorganic substance like carbon dioxide, minerals and water are known as inorganic nutrients. And other hand, organic substance like fats, proteins, vegetable, fruits, meats and milk etc. Thank you so much.
Yes, students. Now class 10 A2. Come out and express your views, your information.
Which we take nutrition for the growth and development of the body. So Faizi will explain something about carbohydrate.
A very good morning to all of you. I am Faizi from 10th standard. So I am going to explain you about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates or carbs are a sugar molecule along with protein and fat. It is one of the three main nutrients found in foods and drinks. Your body breaks down carbohydrate into glucose. Glucose or body sugar is the main source of energy for your body cells, tissue and organs. So Afia will explain about something about nutrition.
On the food that you eat and the way that is affect your health. Basically, it is the process by which we consume our food and utilize it. People with healthy eating patterns live long and are essential for a well-balanced diet and healthy body. You can intake carbohydrate by eating vegetables, tubers, whole fruits, whole grains, nuts, and legumes and seeds. The advantages of taking carbohydrate is this helps to prevent from disease, maintain blood sugar level, aids in digestion. It is also good carb for fuel of your brain, main source of energy, and good for your heart also. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you, respected teachers and my dear friend. I am Yashvi from class 10A. As you tell about the protein. Protein is one of the main component of nutrition, and protein helps in the development of our body. We get protein from many foods like cheese, meat and etc. Protein is rich in meat and cheese. Protein helps in the development and growth of our body.
Now class 9A1. Students of class 9A1.
So let's start. 7 September celebrates as National Nutrition Week. School spread awareness of healthy food. Healthy food keeps us healthy. We stop growing if you don't eat healthy food. Studies and nutrition should be encouraged. The benefits of proper nutrition ensure physical and mental well-being. Malnutrition has always well-being an issue, adding to the rise in global hunger for years and reported by the United Nations. As reported, 1.5 million children die annually due to the fast food and lack of proper nutrition. So eat, health is the wealth, so maintain our nutrition. Thanks for listening to carefully.
Yes, next student.
Good morning everyone. I am Purvi Yadav from class 9th A1. several nutrients that cannot be synthesized by the body and have to be taken externally through food, like carbohydrates, fats, protein, mineral, and vitamins. Carbohydrates. It is one of the main sources of energy for human beings. It comprises of three types of carbohydrates and they include fiber, sugar, and starch. Examples of carbohydrates are corn, bread, and cheese. Fats. The body uses fat as a fuel, and fat is a major storage form of energy in the body. Examples of fats are oil, ghee, and butter. Protein. Protein are made up of chemical building blocks called amino acid. Body uses amino acids to build and E and K, choline and the vitamin B. Examples of vitamin are watermelon, carrot and apple. Thank you everyone.
Hello and a fresh good morning to all of you. I am Kanika Yadav from class 9th A1. Our school is celebrating Nutrition Week from 1 September to 7 September. So my topic is healthy food and unhealthy food. Today I am going to explain some differences between healthy food and unhealthy food. Healthy food is very hygienic for our health. We should eat fish, rice. It causes heart diseases. It causes many diseases to our health. It is very healthy for our good health. A famous word, health is wealth, reminds us to eat healthy food. So we should eat healthy food, not eat unhealthy food. It occurs naturally, as well as it occurs also naturally, but it has many spices, which is not good for our health. It has many toxic things and chemicals. It is chemical free and toxic free. We should eat healthy food and we should avoid unhealthy food. Healthy food keeps us healthy and unhealthy food does not keep us healthy. It is very harmful and it is very.
So, nutrition are the process by which living organisms consume their food and utilize it.
The substance those give the nourishment and energy to all the living organisms to perform their various life processes such as carbohydrate, proteins, vitamin and minerals.
So here's some example of nutrients. Rice. So rice provides energy, carbohydrates and some vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin B that is good for brain function and maintaining healthy nervous system.
Spinach is an extremely nutrient-rich in vegetables. It contains 91% water and 4% carbohydrate and 3% protein. It contains vitamin C, vitamin K, folic acid, iron and calcium. Spinach benefit for skin, hair and health.
Cucumber are low in calories, hydrating and full of vitamins and minerals.
Almond contain lots of healthy fats, fiber, protein and vitamin E.
For providing energy, weight loss and diabetes.
Lemon contain about 50 milligrams of vitamin C which help to protect cell from damage. Vitamin C also help our body for our skin, help our body to absorb iron and support our immune system.
Chickpeas are packed with nutrients like protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals. They are great for boosting energy and supporting digestion.
Ladyfinger contain vitamin A that is helpful in maintaining good eyesight. Thank you everyone.
A very great good morning to all my friends and teachers. I am Udra from class 10A.
To explain the types of vitamins, there are 5 types of vitamins: vitamin A, B, C, D, N, E and K.
First of all, vitamin A. Vitamin A helps in immune system, reproduction, growth and development. Vitamin B helps in breaking down carbohydrate and transporting nutrients throughout the body. Vitamin C maintaining healthy skin, bones and cartilage. Vitamin D reduce cancer cell growth, help control infection, reduce inflammation. Now vitamin E help in the good vision of eye, reproduction, health of the blood. And it also helps to maintain the brain and skin. Vitamin K help in blood clotting and building of bones. Now I will tell you about the example of vitamin. Firstly, as you example of vitamin D are milk, egg, bread, and sunlight. Vitamin E, peanuts, avocado, oil, coconut. Example of vitamin K are tomato, beans, green chili, cabbage, egg, and also broccoli. Thank you.
Very good students, nicely done for selected candidates. Next time hope you all are participate in which. And now finally I would be like to thank our cooperative team, Mr. Shubham sir, Veerbhan sir and Nadeem sir, very thank you for cooperating to me. So next time I hope most of the students participate in which and all different activities. 982 में कौन है बेटा स्टूडेंट? कोई है नहीं? रह गया क्या अभी? बच्चा रह गया बेटा? आ जाओ। Yes, 982 बेटा come fast. Okay, with the excuses by me, we have to
function properly and maintain health. Example include protein, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals.
Good morning all of you. I am Sandhya from 9th A class. Today I am standing here to deliver my topic is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is a binomial chemistry of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Atoms usually with a hydrogen, oxygen. Atom ratio of 2:1, ratio 1:1. And thus with the empirical formula of CMN which does not mean H has covalent bound with O. For example, with CH2O, H has a covalent bound with C but not with a O. All carbohydrates conform to this process. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Aisha.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Nishu Chan. I am studying in class 9th A2. Today my topic is minerals. Minerals are those elements on the earth and in foods that our bodies need to develop and function properly. Minerals are necessary for building strong bones and teeth. Minerals controlling body fluids inside and outside cells and turning the food you eat into energy. It's also important to making enzymes and hormones. Minerals are found in kales, breads, meat, fish, milk, dairy, nuts, fruit and vegetables. Thank you.